yo, you should cut my hair. You should cut my hair. Just like a couple of my friends, and then it manifested. My name's Tony Cuts, owner of No Pushbacks, and we're located in Bensalem, PA. I started cutting hair probably like 10th grade. 10th grade was the first time I picked up a pair of clippers. That's everyone's dream, to open their own shop. I never thought I'd do it now. Like, it's still kind of like a mind blower. At No Pushbacks, I got 6 chairs, including myself, so that's 5 barbers. I got my man Alec, Roach, Jensen, David, and Alam. 5 of the sharpest barbers in PA, hands down.
Shop, man, the freedom, man, the environment. I'm surrounded by great people. Just giving people a haircut is like probably one of the best feelings you can give them, man. How fresh they feel is amazing.
What I like about this shop is definitely the environment and the type of barbers that are in here. You're only as good as the people that you're around.
It's just a family here. It's different than everywhere else, you know.
Barbershops are doing a lot of things, a lot of more services, very versatile. With Tony, we started this from the beginning, and we just try to make that dream happen, You gotta come in and check it out, it's an experience. It's not just a haircut, it's an experience.